We are pleased to show you the 2022 Ford Maverick. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The Ford Maverick is a compact pickup that blends versatility and efficiency. Inside, it packs modern comfort and connectivity that makes the truck useful for everything from errands to weekend projects. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.